Hello grade 10s, welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning how to balance a chemical formula. I hope you are well and you are doing fine. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video. So in grade 10, you have to know how to balance a chemical formula. So these are the steps we use to balance a chemical formula. Firstly, when you're given a chemical formula, the first thing you have to look for is to know metals and non-metals. You should have done this at school with your teacher to know which ones are metals and to know which elements are non-metal. So the first step is to balance metals, right? And if there are no metals in the chemical formula that you are given, you will go to step 2, which is to balance non-metals. But with these non-metals, you leave out oxygen and hydrogen. So look at other non-metals that you are given in a chemical equation, but leave out oxygen and hydrogen. And when you are done balancing those non-metals, or in another equations, it can be that there are no non-metals other than oxygen and hydrogen. So there's only oxygen and hydrogen as non-metals in that equations. You just go and balance hydrogen. So mind you, you can't balance oxygen before hydrogen. So it has to be hydrogen first that is balanced, and then you can balance oxygen. Now we are given this formula. Now, if you remember in mathematics, when you are doing algebra, a number that is standing here before an alphabet, which an alphabet is called a constant, that number that stands before an alphabet is called a coefficient. So the only numbers you can change in a chemical formula are those coefficients. You cannot change this one. This one, they are valencies. So you cannot do anything to valencies. You just focus on coefficients. So that is exactly what you are going to be looking at when we're trying to balance this chemical formula. Guys, if you like this video and you keep coming back to this channel, please consider subscribing. Please also like the video. It helps us a lot. It helps the algorithm of YouTube to suggest our channel to other people. So please comment if you have got anything to say. If you enjoyed the video, just say so. If you think there are areas of improvement, write that as well in the comment section. So let's start to balance. Now we have Na, right? Firstly, we have to check. We have NaCl. So when you go on your periodic table, Na is a metal. So we will start to balance it. Na, this side, the coefficient is 1. Na, the coefficient is 1. And this other side, for Na, the coefficient is also 1. All right? So now we will move to Cl. Cl is a non-metal. So we're going to balance non-metals. So Cl, this side, it's 2, this one, and 2, this one, and this side Cl is 1. So this side Cl is 1. Sorry for that capital L. It's not supposed to be that. That's not how we write our elements. And now they are not balancing. These ones are balanced. This one not balanced. So what we are going to do is that we need to have a 2 this side and a 2 that side. So we check our Cl is 1, so we add 2 here. Now this 2 that we've added affects the Na. So let's go back. We had Cl2 and now Cl is 2 again this side. Then that is balanced. And then we go back to Na. The Na does not balance anymore because the Na this side is 1 and the Na this side is 2 because of this 2 that was added. So we will add 2 again this side, and the Na will be 2 and the Na will be 2.